How to deactivate Instagram account. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to deactivate Instagram account. First, open or launch the Instagram mobile application just like you can see here. You will land on the homepage of the app as shown here. From there, make sure you tap on the profile icon, which is this icon here at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you straight to the profile section of your account, as you can see here. Once you are on the profile page, tap on the menu option. This is the icon with the hamburger symbol located at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the settings and activity page of Instagram. On this page, there are various sections and options you can use to access different features of the app. From those, make sure you tap the option named Account Center. Inside the Account Center, you will find several settings that can help you manage and adjust the settings of your account. Scroll down until you get to the section named Account Center Settings. Under this section, you will find more options. From those, tap on the one named Personal Details. This will open another page as you can see here. From the options on that page, tap on the one named Account Center Ownership and Control. After that, you will see a page with an option named Deactivation or Deletion. Tap on it. Once you do, you will need to choose the Instagram account you want to deactivate from the Account Center. In my case, you can see I have only one Instagram account connected to the Account Center. Tap on the account and you will see the page where you can choose between deactivating or deleting your Instagram account. As you can see, the deactivation option is selected by default. Leave it as it is, then tap on Continue. Finally, you will be asked to enter your password to confirm that it is you, the owner of the account, making the change. Go ahead and enter your password, and your account will then be deactivated. Whenever you want to reactivate the account, simply log back in, and it will automatically become active again. The process is that simple. I hope this tutorial has helped you resolve your issue. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks, that is how to deactivate Instagram account.